when we had our decode workshop, I was so mind blown na parang, no, parang tumatama, no? Parang true nga, parang bakit? Ang galing naman ito. And parang yung ang dami kong nakuhang tips and ang dami kong realizations, ang dami kong aha moments. Like right after the decode workshop, nag-message ako agad kay Coach Chris na parang, oh man, ganito nga yung ano ko, nangyayari sa akin before and ganito ko pala dapat i-handle. So, right that moment, right after nung decode, sinabi ko mag-join ako because I wanna know myself more. I wanna maximize my potential. And sabi ko nga din kay Coach Chris, parang if there's a way pala to make my body um really work for me. 'Di ba? Bakit ko siya kakalabanin? Bakit ko pahirapan yung sarili ko? You can achieve anything that you want, pero if it's something that is against your body, parang magsasabi din yung body mo when it's no longer serving you or it's not gonna work for you. Ano, bakit ko pa ipipilit yung mga bagay na nakaka-stress for me or ayaw pala ng body ko or kaya ako hirap gawin is hindi naman talaga siya para sa akin. Hindi siya aligned sa hormone based personality ko. So that I would know how my body works. Kasi even if I'm already, 29 years old back then, I know that there's really a lot na hindi ko pa alam sa body ko. Based din sa ko sa decode na mostly the workout and the diet plans that are out in the market, mostly it's for type 3. And I'm not type 3. So that explains, oh nga, kaya hindi siya nag-work sa akin. And realize ko na yung sa aking HBP type, which is type 5, na talagang mas nagsusstore kami ng like ng energy or ng fat sa body. Ganyan. And so, hindi rin kami masyadong, alam mo yan, because of that, like yung mga kinakain kong carbs and all that, ang daling mag-accumulate, ang daling kong gain ng weight. So, parang ang hirap kapag ang i-follow mo na diet plans or workout is for a different type, for different HBP type. Kasi, although you may see results, it's not that as beneficial for you, yung mga advice na yun. Nga, to know myself better. Kasi parang ang dami kong aha moments when I've got my profile na parang, oh ano, ito pala yung nangyayari sa akin. Ito pala yung dapat kong gawin, how to handle situations, paano ba pag nasistress ako. And I realized also a lot of triggers na parang dati akala ko magagalitin lang talaga ako. Pero na-realize ko, ay, kaya pala ako nagagalit kasi ganito yung nangyayari. Na hindi ko siya napapansin before. So, knowing a lot more about myself para naman mas maging peaceful yung buhay ko. Hindi ako masyadong nagagalit. Ganyan. And ayun nga, how to handle things. And also to learn about other people na confidence and better health. Kasi ang dami kong, nung nag-gain ako ng weight, ang daming lumabas-labas na like sakit, ganyan. Nahirapan na naman akong huminga. Tapos PCOS. And syempre, dahil may ano rin yung family namin ng high blood and diabetes. Syempre, I fear din na alam mo yun, dahil nag-gain ako ng weight, is magkaroon din ako ng ganong sakit. So, magkakailangan ko rin talagang bantayan yung health ko. Self-love. Kasi parang feeling ko, pagka feeling ko ang dami kong, syempre, I know myself, ang dami kong flaws. Bakit ako ganito? Bakit laki hindi ba't ako magagalitin? Bakit ako irritable? Bakit ako whatever? Parang feeling ko I'm a disappointment. I only see the negative things within me. Hindi ko masyado nakikita yung maganda. Feeling ko talaga I'm a bad person, ganyan. Or parang feeling ko illogical lahat ng mga ginagawa ko sa buhay because I'm not like others na parang mabait or they can, pag may sinit silang goals, magagawa nila ako, I do a lot of things. Mga ganyan. So parang hindi ako mapalaga, hindi ako masyadong sumusunod sa mga pressure sa'yo ng society or expectations ng society, ganyan. Hindi mo ko mailagay doon. I have parang yung iba parang dapat ganito may asawa ka na, dapat ganito ka na, dapat sa work level ako or whatever. I'm not like that kasi parang, so parang ano ba ako, black sheep lang ba talaga ako? Ngayon ko lang naintindihan na talagang kaya pala hindi rin ako um, katulad ng iba na, ay, gusto kong maging ganito, sa ganitong ma-promote, sa ganitong pagkakataon, sa ganitong position. Ako, I'm not. Because there are other ways naman to nurture people. And, yun nga, parang hindi katulad ng society na, kailangan ganito ka na, ganito ka. Ako, no, I love variety. So I would have to do things on my own or based on my decision, ganyan. And syempre ngayon din, na since I know myself more, I understand din na hindi din dapat palaging emotion. Kasi I'm very emotional. So now, na parang, baka naman naging emotional ako this time. So kailangan ko mag-step back and pag-isipan yung mga bagay-bagay. So it's really beneficial for me overall. Minsan, di ba, if you don't understand the person, parang syempre meron kayong magkaibang views, ganyan. So since I know the different types, I have at least the idea, I would know how to treat them better and I would understand why they're acting that way or why they do things the way that they do it. Diba? So parang less yung clash or less yung conflict and yun, parang because of that, you can make more meaningful relationships with them. Because I have everything that I need. But then, I wasn't able to reach my goal na to lose weight because at that point in time, I wasn't able to follow or prioritize my number one lifestyle na dapat pina-prioritize, which is yung mind. Kasi sobrang down ako nung time na yon. But given the chance na, or let's say right now, na I'm okay, I have a clear mental space, I'm in a better position or situation right now, I could. And I would. I'm actually starting doing it again kasi nga I know that it's gonna be beneficial for me, especially alam ko na yung mga alam ko yung mga um hindi talaga pwede for my body type. Alam ko yung mga workouts na for me, kung ano yung time of day, kung kailan ako dapat uminom, kung kailan ako dapat hindi kumain, mga ganon. So I know that this time I'll be succeeding dun sa goal ko na yon, di ba? It's just that I wasn't in a good mental space nung time na nangyari to. Nagkaroon ng something personal. And parang kung before, kung i-compare mo gano'n kalala yung sarili ko, mga 3, di ba? It's a big jump from 3 to 8. Kasi at least now I know more about myself. You can nurture relationships, you can build new relationships because you can select parang which people would be like a good match to you, or you would also benefit from meeting them. So like for example, yung if type 2 and I'm a type 4 and I love variety, but type 2s are very di ba parang when they set their mind into something, parang they can talagang focus yan kasi talagang they feel gratified pagka ay, gratified. They feel like successful talaga kapag nakit nila yung goal nila. Saka, for me to get motivated, I need a type 2 in my life. So this person is a type 2. I can, work with that person, diba? And eventually I can maybe there's something that I can also provide because I'm a unique individual. Meron man siguro ako maambag sa kanya. You would know how to treat them better. You can adjust, and you would understand them if ever that there is like a misunderstanding. You would know why are they reacting that way. So parang mas madaling mag-handle ng conflict, mas madaling ding mag-build or mag-strengthen ng relationship. So parang it's a life hack, 'di ba? Kasi yung parang iniisip mo lang yung sarili mo. I would rate it 10 over 10. Ano pa nga eh. Gusto pa 1 million over 10. Sabi nga ni Marky Bap, 'di ba? 1 million over 10, ganon. Kasi it's really a life hack. Bakit? Kasi ako personally, um, may tendency ako na talagang maging people pleaser. So sometimes, even if it's something na I don't want to do, if I'm uncomfortable doing, but since I like you, I love you because you're my friend, or you're someone that I value, I would do it. Diba? And minsan parang I don't wanna feel left out. So even if I don't really like this person, and parang kahit ayaw kitang kasama, pero dahil ayaw kong ma-left out or whatever, ganyan, or I'm benefiting something from you, kaya lang hindi talaga kita masyadong feel. Parang tinitiis ko na lang yung ganong klase ng relationship. I already learned how to set boundaries, 'di ba? I already learned na hindi naman dapat talagang, i-please lahat ng tao. And yung pinakagusto ko dito is, dahil nga HBP, is about learning yourself. I really learned to love myself. This HBP type made me realize that I have to be true to myself. Ganon siya. Na kailangan kong i-honor yung sarili ko. Kasi as a type 4, or as a type 5, palagi mong hinuhuli yung sarili mo eh. Like kung hinuhuli yung sarili ko. Kaya hindi ako mag-progress kasi lagi kong hinuhuli yung sarili ko. The HBT VIP coaching really helped me na to accept myself and my uniqueness. Kasi nga parang I'm very used to comparing myself with others. Not only dahil, hindi lang dahil sa, ganoon talaga ako na mapagkumpara. Pero kasi I grew up in an environment like that. So parang ako, I hated myself. Na parang feeling ko, hindi ako katulad ng ine-expect ng aking parents. Diba? Hindi ako katulad ng ine-expect sa church. Hindi ako katulad ng ine-expect sa school na super bait na estudyante. And feeling ko palagi, I'm a failure, or alam mo yon parang substandard. Tama ba yung term, no? Substandard ka lang. Kasi nga, hindi ka level up, hindi ka top sa mga kung ano-anong bagay, ganyan. So, parang feeling ko, alam mo yun, parang it's really difficult na tanggapin yung sarili mo, especially ng environment na palaging compare, compare, compare. Kasi ang tumatanim sa utak mo, you're less, diba? You're not that um, capable of doing something, palagi ka lang second, or parang ikaw yung pangit na side, kasi hindi ikaw yung ganito, hindi ikaw yung ganyan, diba? Or parang laging may kulang sa'yo. Nakakatuwa nang na dahil, alam mo, kahit science-based siya, diba? Parang na-apply mo kasi siya sa daily life eh. Kaya siya parang nagiging life hack. And I think, ngayon, nagets ko na kung bakit sinabi ni Ishi na cheat code. Kasi nga, parang, yun, yung sinabi mo na hindi ka na masyado, may forgiving ka, hindi ka masyadong mag-expect dun sa mga people around you. So, it also makes your life easier. You can figure things out din kasi easily. Diba? If you're aware of your HBP type, if you have accepted yourself and your uniqueness. Na-try ko na before sa akin yung low carb and intermittent fasting. And it really worked for me. Diba? Nag-lose talaga ako ng weight doon. However, hindi siya sustainable for me. And ayun nga, yung nag-aalupi-alupi siya yung hair ko dito, yung head ko for hair. Ilan yon, ilang poknat yon na as in may kasamang gamutan. So, kumbaga, I lost weight. Pero ang kapalit naman is, ayun nga, nagkakaroon ako ng um, alopecia. So parang for me, it's not as healthy. It's not as sustainable. Pero since that's the thing na nag-work for me, kung hindi ako nag-join sa HBK, then itutuloy ko gagawin ko siya ulit. Diba? Kasi nga, hindi ko alam eh. Parang at that time, nalaman ko lang sa sarili ko when I was doing LCIF is yung body ko is hindi siya, madali siya mag-store ng carbs. Kaya hindi ako pwedeng mag-carbs ng mag-carbs. Which is, it matches with my HBP profile. Pero since hindi ko nga alam yung HBP before, and kung hindi ako nag-join, then, alam yun, nakakalungkot na 23-1 in 24 hours, mag-aalat ka lang ng 1 hour, nakakain ka for, yun lang yung eating window mo. Tapos pag dumating ka sa pag nag-stall na yung weight mo, mag-ano ka na, mag-extended fasting ka na, or you can try na I mean, parang ilaro-laro mo yung fasting, parang ganyan. So, parang, um, while it works, it's not sustainable and it's not healthy for me. Diba? So other people can sustain it, other people can really do it as their lifestyle, but it's them. But for me kasi it's not working. Pero, kung hindi ako nag-join, malamang ganun na naman yung ginagawa ko. Ang hirap pa din kasi nga parang if you're just gonna read, it's not personalized. 'Di ba? There are parang advice na ipa-follow mo na hindi naman pala mag-work sa'yo. 'Di ba? Kahit pa there are a lot of advice, a lot of books to read for self-development, for growth. But since it's not personalized, 'di ba? May parang hit and miss. Merong mag-work, merong hindi. Ganyan. So, since this one is personalized, it's according to your bone structure, your hormones, diba? There are 15 sciences na nagkakasama para mabutong HBP profile. So, talagang you would see na on your profile, ano yung mga suggestions. I'm not saying that it's perfect, na parang, oh, yan na talaga yun, ikaw na talaga yan, diba? Pero kasi it's based on your measurements and all that. Pero kasi it's really a life hack. Kasi nga, ano yung susundin mo? Yung based um, dun sa naging result ng profile mo instead of following other people. Kasi diba, what worked for them may not work for you, for me. Ang paborito ko talaga, yung coaching, yung one-on-one, yung usap natin, yun talaga yung, I mean kasi, lahat mo nandiyan na sa profile mo eh, di ba? Pwede mo nang basahin, pwede mo pag-aralan, you have all the time in the world in that 6 months, basahin mo, pag-aralan mo, memorize mo lahat ng pwedeng pagkain, bawal na pagkain, mag-workout ka. It's on you, di ba? Pero kasi, kaya ko gusto yung coaching natin, kasi, una, ang dami ko natututunan, talaga, kasi parang kahit naman nandiyan na yan eh, minsan, bakit ganito, TN? Kasi i-explain mo sa akin, okay, so mas maintindihan ko yung concept behind it, mas maintindihan ko yung sarili ko. Kasi merong mga times na parang hindi ko maintindihan, or normal ba ako, or ano, lalo na yung mga unang stage, kasi ang dami mo pang discovery, mga first 2 months, ganyan. Ang dami mo pang aha moments and all. Tapos i-explain mo naman. Tapos, so, gusto ko siya, ang dami ko natututunan. And pangalawa, kaya ko rin siya gusto is, you as a coach, sabi mo lang, walang judgment na, kasi nga, syempre, yun nga, based dun sa napag-usapan natin kanina, na parang nagiging result siya talaga ng kapag alam mo yung VIP coaching or yung HBP type, you get less judgmental, diba? Or kung hindi man wala na talagang judgmental, at least less judgmental. So I feel like, with you, or whenever we're talking, whenever we're having our one-on-one session, I feel like it's really a safe space. And that kung ano man yung, like, kasi hindi nga lang siya, hindi lang siya basta VIP coaching, para pati emotional, para pati love life, lahat na pwede mo, life coaching, lahat na, pati yung pag-freelancing, lahat na talaga. So, parang package yung sa one-on-one sessions. Kaya ako siya gusto. Tsaka yun nga, parang, diba, it's very rare na makahanap ng coach din kasi na talagang makikinig sa'yo. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng nagiging life coach mo ganun eh. Pwedeng mag-iba transactional lang or parang bibigyan ka lang din talaga ng mga dapat mong gawin. Tapos pag hindi mo nagawa, pati mo nagawa nakakatakot dito, very accepting na she would understand bakit hindi mo nagawa. Kasi may mga times talagang hindi mo magagawa because yun nga, may mga ibang factors na talagang nagiging reason ng block na hanggang hindi mo naaalis yun, hindi mo naaayos, hindi ka makamove forward. And for her, or I mean for TL Chris, she understands that. Diba? And she would still support you. Diba? Hindi ka napapagod sa akin. Kaya pagod na pagod na ako. Hindi mo naman kailangan talaga maging like super by the book. I mean, syempre, mas malaki yung mapapakinabang mo if masusunod mo talaga siya. Pero kasi there are circumstances. Like yun nga. Like yung ngayon din, na situation ko. Ang gabi ko, pero ang aking chronobiology is pang normal na tao. Yung magiging schedule ko ngayon is kabaligtaran. Diba? So, mahirap siya na gawin. Diba? Kasi nga yung circumstance ko requires na gabi ako gising. Pero since we have that talk, we have changed or we have tweaked my chronobiology, diba? I just have to make sure that I follow the other lifestyle priorities. Kung hindi ko man masunod yung time doon sa iba, kung at least kung ano yung mga suggested na food na kainin or kahit sa weekends ko sundin yung nasa chrono ko, yung tamang chronobiology ko talaga, di ba? At least there's a way. And may makikita at may makikita rin kasi talagang result for that. I would say na grabe yung overall impact ng HBP, VIP na coaching. It did not stop doon sa 6 month period na yun. Kasi yung lahat ng natutunan ko doon sa 6 months na coaching program namin ni TL, and yung mga nasa lifestyle priorities ko, yung nasa profile ko, although hindi ko naman siya kayang i-recite na yon, no? Hindi ko siya nasa ulo, hindi ko siya ma-recite. But then, alam mo yun, na-apply ko kasi siya eh, until today. Hanggang ngayon, nakakatulong siya. It's been a year. And all I can, hindi naman sa nagyayabang, no? You know, I can say na I am better than before. There are changes na hindi lang physical, talagang internal there is. Kasi nga, kahit sabi mo, science to eh. Science yung HBP, pero bakit, di ba? Kung isipin mo, bakit grabe yung impact niya? Kasi nga, it's meant to make you understand and know yourself better. And kung alam mo kung ano yung makakabuti for you, and gagawin mo siya, 'di ba? Mas madali. Talagang parang life hack. Day by day, you have the opportunity to become a better version of yourself. The more na mas marami kang na-unlock or mas marami kang nalalaman about yourself, the more na mas tinatanggap mo yung sarili mo, 'di ba? Mas na-apply mo siya. Ganun yung impact niya. It's ongoing. It doesn't stop at a certain point. Especially kapag ka talagang inintindi mo. That's why it's also important na when you enroll in this VIP coaching, not only that you will allot time when it comes to the one-on-one session, but you would really have to understand your profile. And it's also good if you have an understanding of the other profiles as well, kahit pa glimpse lang. Kasi it will help you with the relationship, with your relationship with other people. And yun nga, it's a lifelong process. Parang ganun. Kasi marami kang madi-discover. We're done with our VIP coaching ni Coach Chris. I'm done with the 6 months. But even after that, dami ko pa rin natutunan. Plus, sobrang thankful ako na meron tayong HBP community. So now that we have this HBP community, even if you don't have your profile yet, even if yung decode pa lang yung alam mo, but if you're within the community, you would learn a lot. Kasi parang everyday merong mga, kahit sabihin mo memes lang yan, pero parang something na relatable na, uy, sino yung mga ganitong type? Ano yung mga ganitong type? Or pagka may pinagdadaanan ka or whatever, na parang if you wanna ask people na, do you also feel the same? Do you also, or what would you do? It's really a great avenue na mas maintindihan mo yung sarili mo and mas maintindihan yung ibang types. Kasi very engaging yung mga posts. Yung impact niya is for all aspects of your life. Ayun yung tingin kong yung impact niya. And it's really lifelong. It's ongoing. Wala siyang stop or whatever as long as talagang iintindihin mo din. Bakit wala na kasi like me, wala na ako sa VIP coach eh. Pero bakit na-apply ko pa rin? Bakit mas nakikilala ko pa rin yung sarili ko? Kasi inintindi ko. Pinag-aralan ko siya. So yun. So para maging impactful, kailangan pag nag-sign up, ayun, aral-aral din talaga.